You will see again your general information regarding your Scholar high-level profile, as well as some helpful hints in the verification information section regarding the importance of scholarship and in-school verifications. The first step for verification is your personal information. Your current name on file, mailing address, phone number, and email will be displayed in this section. If there's any discrepancy or updates needed, please click the edit button and you will be redirected back to the portal homepage to update your contact information. When you're ready, please re-enter this request through the My Activities section and you will see updated information here and be able to proceed with your request. If no updates are needed to your information, please begin to review your school information on file. Next, please review your school information card. Please ensure that you review the school name and the address to ensure correctness and completeness. This school should match the school that you are currently attending coursework or plan to attend coursework for throughout your time as a scholarship participant. The next section is the enrollment information section. In this section, you will answer specific information about your current program status and other details as needed based on a dynamic flow. The first question is, will you be completing coursework in the winter 2023 term? You may utilize tooltips as needed to view additional guidance and tips. If you are completing coursework, please answer yes, and if not, please answer no. Note, if you are not attending class or enrolled in coursework for the current term based on a winter or a summer term taken off, you will have the opportunity to enter that by selecting the reason no academic term. Other reasons that you may select from in order to indicate that you have a reason for no term include leave of absence, dismissed from school, withdrew from school, and maybe another reason. Depending on what you select, you may or may not be prompted to provide more information. If you are completing coursework, you will be asked to provide the start and end dates of your term by selecting the appropriate dates from the calendar date pickers. Following, please indicate whether or not you are currently enrolled as a full-time or a part-time student. Again, additional guidance may be accessed through the tooltips, but if you have any questions, please reach out to your Scholar Branch analyst. The next question has to do with repeating coursework. If you are repeating coursework, please indicate by marking yes. If not, indicate no, and the next question will appear. The last question has to do with academic probation status, where you may indicate yes or no, depending on your current academic probation status or lack of status for that term. Once you've successfully completed all of the questions, your program information will populate in the next card. Again, this needs to be reviewed for correctness and completeness. This information reflects the most current information that the BHW has on file for your participant record. You do have the opportunity to update your last day of class and your expected graduation date by clicking on these edit modals and selecting an updated date from the date picker as needed. If you choose not to make changes, you can certify that your program information is accurate, and you will then be prompted to input the details of your school official for third-party verification.